offshoots of Himalayas, 3. Baluchistan Plateau, 4. Potohar Plateau and Salt Range, 5. Lower Indus Plain, 6. Thar Desert. Pak has 3 stock exchanges, confirm it. Broad Peak is on Karakoram Range. Colonel Sher Khan belonged to Sindh Regiment. Kot Digi is a fort in Khairpur. Ancient Mosque of Pak is at Bamhar. Time taken to sing National Anthem is 1 minute, 20 seconds. Instruments used are 38. Texila is in Punjab and NWFP. Rashid Minas martyred in August 1971. Mangla Dam is on River Jhelum. Persons have received Nishan-e-Hyder. Kharif, summer season, crops include cotton, rice, sugar cane, maize, jowar, and bajra. Rabi, winter Oct-March, crops are wheat, gram, barley, and tobacco. Yahat-Pat is the old name of Dera al-Yar. There are 7 rivers in Baluchistan. Mast Tawakkol was the poet of Balashi. Kanpur Dam is near Haripur. Skardu is also called Little Tibet. Swat became part of Pakistan in 1969. The most precious gemstone emerald are found in Swat. Gilgit is the capital of northern areas of Pak. Kushal Khan belonged to English period. The alphabet of Pashto was prepared by Saifullah. First poet of Pashto was Amir Karar. Saiful Maluk is near Naran. Dara Adam Khan is famous for gun factory. Durand Line is B/W Peshawar in Afghanistan. Pakistan Forest Institution is located in Peshawar. Bala Hassan Fort was built by Babrat at Peshawar. Sedu Sharif is a lake in NWFP. British took Peshawar from Sikhs. Population-wise NWFP stands 3rd. Area-wise it is 4th. Lansdowne Bridge connects Sucker with Rari. Gadug Barrage was completed in 1932. Real name of Calendar Lal Shaubaz is Sheikh Usman Marvindi. In 1973 Constitution there are 290 articles. Pak comprises of 61% of mountainous area. National Assembly has 342 seats and Senate has 100 seats with 14 for each province. Provincial Assembly seats Punjab equals 371, Sindh equals 168, NWFP equals 124, Baluchistan equals 65. Double is Sheikh Mubarak. Barrages on Indus are Tunsa, Jinnah, Sukkar, Gudo, Kotri and Ghulam Wad. Ports and harbours are Kamari, Kar, Bin Qasim, Kar, Jinnah Naval Base, Ormara, Gawadar, Baluk, Panjagor, Baluch. Deserts of Pak, Thar, Sindh, Thal, Punjab, Kolistan, Punjab. Famous glaciers are Siachen, Bachara, Baltoro. K2, Karakoram Range, with 8,610 meters. Mountain ranges are Himalaya, Karakoram, Hindu Kush, Sulayman and Salt Range. Tomb of Babur is in Kabul. Real name of Noorjahan, wife of Jahangir, was Marun Nisa. Nadra was set up in Feb. 16, 2000. The master plan of Islamabad was prepared in 1960 by Miss Konstantinos Doxiades, of Greek. National Institute of Oceanology Karachi equals 1982. Pak, test-fired Gori missile in April 6, 1998. First nuclear reactor was set up in Karachi. Pak's first agriculture university set up in Faisalabad. Chomas festival is held in Kailash Valley near Chitral. Nearest provincial capital from Islamabad is Peshawar. Tomb of Humayun is in Delhi. Tomb of Jahangir is at Lahore. National Assembly has 60 women's seats. National anthem was written in 1954. Gandhara civilization discovered from Texela. Social action plan launched in 1992-93. Rahmat Ali suggested name of Pakistan on January 28, 1933 in Now or Never pamphlet in London. Rahmat Ali was born in 1893 in a village Mohur district Hoshiarpur, East Punjab. Rahmat Ali died at the age of 58 in 1951 and was buried in Cambridge University. Ancient name of Peshawar was Fushkalvadi.